Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading When a Grandpa Says I Love You by Douglas Wood and Jennifer A.Bell. Please enjoy. When a Grandpa Says I Love You.
But for the price and this location, it's not bad. It's nice that you have this wall of windows. It feels a little more roomy. It doesn't look like there's too much space out there. So it'll be tough to make a yard. Yeah.
When a grandpa says I love you, he doesn't always say it in the regular way. That would be just a little bit too regular.
The more I think about it, I think the Palm Paradise is going to be the home run. Really? Yes. It's a pretty good price.
Instead, he might just say something like, how would you like...
Always just say, oh yeah, we'll pay exactly what you ask. I'm kind of thinking about maybe offering $365 and basically that will pay...
Crepes Suzette for breakfast. Even if either one of you is quite sure what they are.
I thought the listing price was good, but my mom thought that we should come in a little lower, so we offered...
Sometimes a grandpa says, I love you by messing up your hair just after you combed it. He might say it by teaching you how to wink, even though it never quite works.
I get to practice my tourism hospitality in one of the most hospitable places on earth. So
or by showing you how to tie your tennis shoes again.
Take the city walk to your new Caribbean home. Are you ready? Yeah!
And view the world in living color on real estate. $325,000.
I like how it's wide open.
A grandpa can say I love you by taking you for a walk or by holding your hand when you cross the street, just to make sure he's safe. He can say it by watching you do somersaults and cartwheels almost, and by giving you a standing ovation.
Phoenix, Arizona, and we're moving to Roatan. That's what I'm talking about. The dream has always been to be by the water. So I did some research on places that I wanted to live. And
he might say I love you by buying you a double scoop ice cream cone on a hot summer day, and then by helping you eat it if it melts too fast.
This is all you, baby.
I'm a high school band and orchestra director.
And I'm a professional computer nerd. Are you laughing?
You're a nerd.
You are the most beautiful angel.
Aww. As a teacher, I'm really big about sharing experiences.
A grandpa can say I love you by letting you help him weed the garden and pick the tomatoes and water the roses. He might say it by teaching you how to throw a super duper screaming yellow zonker sinker ball, and then by striking out when you throw it.
I think it's going to be an awesome adventure, and I'm really excited. They just want to die.
Sometimes a grandpa can say I love you by showing you his coin collection, and then by giving you the shiniest one.
But I definitely want to see the ocean.
I love the jungle as well.
I want to be able to walk out our front
A grandpa could say I love you by coming to your very own tea party and pretending that
we have to have.
he loves tea.
That would be amazing. How much should we spend?
I don't think we want to go any more than $150,000 because we have some room to do some renovations and we're not limited to just some tiny little place.
I'm not too sure about that. I think we should move into something that's written.
For what we're going to be spending,
He could show you how to play old-fashioned games like checkers or parachute or cribbage.
what brought you to Roatan?
Or he might try to learn a new game that you can teach him, even on the computer.
And our fantasy as well.
Now, Roseanne is about 600 miles south of Florida. We're completely surrounded by...
A grandpa can show you how to dance to music that was new when he was young.
40 miles long.
Or he might
The entire length. So it's easy not to get lost.
listen to you practice the piano and say that you belong to
We're in the
in
hills overlooking
Carnegie Hall.
the most popular tourist spot on the island.
Ocean view.
No, but since we're at the top of the hill, you will get a beautiful breeze from up here.
Everything looks like it's still under construction
Be
here.
careful here.
A grandpa could say I love you by letting you carry top secrets
That's good.
messages across enemy lines to grandma.
It's so different than Phoenix. How much does it cost though?
$149,000. But it is brand new. Furniture included? No, it's not, but there's good places to source furniture all over the island. We can at least make it our own.
Or maybe he'll say it by taking you to the fair, by helping you pick the fastest horse on the merry-go-round, and by hanging you tight when you're at the top of the Ferris wheel.
I've never been picky about granite, but this is really nice. And do like how that's completely different over there. How it's got this butcher block island. What's good about that is we really don't have to buy a kitchen table.
Perfect.
He can even say, telling you the kind stories that only a grandpa can tell, the kind that makes the whole world seem special and make you feel that you are the most special person in it.
It's a very tiny space. So you really don't have room for a couch. I would do swiveling chairs, lamp.
But most of all, a grandpa could say I love you just by being
Chairs for our bedroom.
Beverages that come from right here.
Exactly right.
All right, I like that idea.
And here we have the master.
your grandpa.
I'm guessing
This is tight.
pretty good size closet.
You know how many of your grandpas have told you that they love
Sliding
you?
glass doors.
Let me know with a thumbs up if your grandpa has told you the same thing.
Yeah, super cool.
Give me a thumbs up. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this book reading. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got plenty. So feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one. Take care, everybody.
Here to create privacy.